Okay, so I took a short trade, then I took a long trade because it's following kind of a flag and pole pattern, BTC. So as you can see here, is about trend line. So it expanded very quickly and then retraced, and then now it's moving in a range. It's following the range very tightly, and I think somewhere here it'll break out and break 81,000 or either break down. But I think the breaking out chances more. This trade I took, I shorted here because I thought market will go down, right? Because the intensity of this down move was intense because I bought here and then my trailing stop loss hit at this level, at this this level. I was supposed to book my target here at 500 levels, but no, it didn't happen that way. So I got trailed out here. So after looking at this up down move very intense, I shorted here at this up move. My average price is around 750, and then I knew it will be volatile, so I kept a stop loss above the previous swing high. So it was around 520, 521.10. So I kept it to 600 round number. And yeah, then it moved in my direction for some time, but then this volatile candle, this up move is very strong. So I feel now it's actually following the trend line properly, and I think it'll hit my stop loss. Let's see. I think this is the candle, it'll hit it. So I lose around $32 on this trade, and overall I made around $76, and then I risked $32 for a gain of approximately. So if this trade works in my favor, I'll get out at least $64. So I'll be up around $135 for the day. And if it gets if I get stopped out, so the total loss in this trade will be $32, and then the profit for the day will go down to around $45, 44 $45, which is all right for me because the risk reward makes sense. you know some days you should risk such amounts because you never know. In the long run, when you are in the habit of risking with a comfortable SL, one or two good hits, good profits will give you a lot of cushion. So I missed this initial 7 p.m. trade. I was short earlier. I booked losses in this because the up move was too fast, and then I almost exited cost to cost. Like I had around $10-15 loss, and then this up move I couldn't capture because I was on a call, and then by the time I saw it was coming down, and it was mayhem, and I cannot. And here in the retracement I was thinking to add as well, but yeah, so basically 3,000 points in around 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. I missed it, but it's okay. Such is the nature of the markets. Another day will come and we'll seize this opportunity again. This is like happening for the umpteenth time. So yeah, I've been trading 5 years now. So I've seen all such gap downs, gap ups, volatility, V-shaped recoveries, 1,000 point, 2,000 point moves, and Trump doing some shit and then it affecting the global markets at night, and next day Nifty, and it's a whole scene. So the opportunity is always there. Never ever be in a FOMO and add size in FOMO, because you should trade your setups, because in the end it's about whether you make money consistently using your setup. It's not about some random day, because so see, now there'll be some volatile days maybe next week, and then there'll be a lot of sideways days in even Bitcoin. There'll be a lot of consolidation, and there the most of the option buyers, or whatever future buyers, they'll lose a lot of money because they'll expect similar kinds of moments within minutes or within hours, which Bitcoin won't do. It will stay in a tight range of maybe say has 1,000, 3,000 points, 4,000 points, but people will expect these moves to repeat, which they won't, because these moves happen once a year, right? So probability is very less. Yeah. And if you want to take these bets, have a very excellent risk to reward, like 1 is to 10, 1 is to 20, like like it should seem crazy to you that by risking such low amount you could even get such good profits, but it will happen once a year, and then all those small hits you took the rest of the months, it'll be covered, and you'll make I think 20-30x money on that particular setup. So yeah, these are some ways which you tackle how to capture all these volatile markets, because you want to trade. It's not like you don't. Some people say that when there's an event around, when there's volatility, you should stop trading, but I don't believe that, because as traders we need to stay on the screen, we need to see what's happening, be in sync with the markets. And it's okay if you lose on such days as well, but you should trade. But main thing is trade with a size which won't affect you at all. Trade with a very minimal size, and whatever your profit you make, just thank God and get the fuck out. So don't expect too much, and don't trust too much on such days, right? Because these days, on such days, nobody knows. No, like literally, the market is moved by the big guys, so nobody knows. Actually, I think today's there was some news, there was some report, false report of the tariffs ending. So market came up, and then again it was confirmed that it's fake, so market came down again. So yeah, that's the thing. And yeah, so maybe I think it's consolidating tightly. um, it's meeting this trend line as well. So I don't know, if it falls, it falls, but I think like the probability now to hit my stop loss is very much. See, look, I think it'll be done, and maybe market will go on the upside. So anybody who wishes, they can maybe take a long trade here, and even maybe I will, or I'll just stop for the day, because I've taken like uh so I'd taken one trade here at 7, which I got stopped out. Then two, then three, and four. This is my fourth trade. So I'll basically stop if I get stopped out, or else yeah, I'll just leave the target and SL intact, and let's see what happens. Uh, yeah. So volatile week. I expect this volatility to continue this week, entire week, and I also expect some kind of reversals, because there will be some bottom buying happening, like a dead cat bounce or something. But the short term pain is not yet over. I still believe there's going to be more selling, because the tariffs would impact the stock market and the overall economy, uh, like way too much than expected, I feel. Unless Trump magically convinces everybody to just some kind of a agreement or settlement is something which would give way to a huge short covering. And yeah, then then it'd be nuts. All shorts would be trapped, which I think the chances are low, because the selling seems very serious. But yeah, let's see. So I'm also thinking of adding ITBs in my portfolio. Adding some Nasdaq, because it's been quite hammered right now. And yeah, let's just add the index, acquire quality names, and don't focus on the small caps, or the ones which were like which went from 5 to 100 and now are at again at 10, 15. So you're thinking, oh my god, I missed the 5 to 100 part, and now I want to participate in it. No, first of all, no, it won't do that again, because the 5 years bull market is ended, I feel. Now we are in time for some consolidation or some kind of a pain for the next 1 or 2 years. And yeah, it's good, such cycles make sure that all the weekends are flushed out, and the ones who stay invested during these times, and leverage use some kind of leverage during these times, they turn out to be the winners in the next bull market. So yeah, I expect to do the same, and not fuck up. Just follow the process consistently, and try to win big and lose small. Cheers, guys. So this is me, Siddharth, signing off. And yeah, it's been good. This is my analysis, and let's see, I'll update you guys about this trade and what my overall outlook will be for the entire week. See you guys. Yeah, bye. Cheers.